Hello everyone, this is Koder Singh, and in this tutorial I will be talking about Certificate Manager. Certificate Manager helps us to manage SSL certificates. So it is an automated service by AWS using which we can turn a HTTP traffic into HTTPS services, and you can write Certificate Manager over here. And we're going to get redirected to the same page. This is my previous domain. So I request a new certificate manager. So request a public certificate. Yes, request a certificate. And the domain which you're gonna write is durl.shd. Then we're gonna do next. Yeah, DNS validation. Next. Review. durl.sh. Confirm and request. Create a CNAME record. So we're gonna do create record in Route 53. Once you get over here, we're gonna create record in Route 53. So we hit create, we continue, and here it is. So it says it's pending validation, and we're gonna just refresh it, and it's gonna say issued in couple of hours. It usually take less than 24 hours, but sometimes it happens within 3-4 hours. So we'll just go to Route 53 and we'll confirm that it has been added or not. So we'll go to hosted zones, durl.sh, and yes, the CNAME has been added automatically when we pressed it. Thank you so much guys for watching this tutorial. I hope you understood what basically Certificate Manager is used for why we are using this service. I have an Instagram account where I post daily tech updates. I really recommend you guys to go and follow my page. And I also have a Twitter page. The links will be in the description below. Thank you so much, guys.